Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create Netflix account on Android phone. Either you're using your Netflix on Google Chrome or Netflix app, it's always the same and you can easily create Netflix account. So for this sample, I will just use this Netflix on Google Chrome. So first you can go right here on netflix.com and you will find this homepage right here. Then you can see ready to watch, enter your email to create or restart your membership. And for this video, I will just put this email and just tap this get started. Now on the next page, you will find finish setting up your account. So you just tap on next. Then you will find this step 1 of 3. Create a password to start your membership. Now once you put your password here, you will go on step 2. Choose your plan. No commitments, cancel anytime, everything on Netflix for one low price. No ads and no extra fees ever. So just tap on next. And here you can choose the plan that's right for you. If you want mobile, basic, you just want to standard or premium. So if you want a mobile plan, you can actually pay for just $3, just like that. Then tap on next and you will now on this step 3. Choose how to pay. So here you have many options to pay on this Netflix account. You can use your credit or debit card. You just tap this one and you can set up your credit or debit card right here. You can put your card number, your first name, then last name. Then tap on I agree and start membership. Now the second one is digital wallet. So just like that, you can set up your GCash or any digital wallet and just put your phone number and agree and start membership. And you can also add to mobile bill. You can set up here, put your phone number, check this I agree and verify phone number. And the last one, you can always get a gift code right here and just tap on redeem gift code. So there's so many ways on how you can use your payment methods in Netflix account. So after this one, you can now continue to complete the details and you can now start on watching movies on Netflix. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.